How many times do I have to tell them, close the garage door when you're finished painting it? What the? Didn't I just close that? Coming through! Pops, no! Whoa! Bad show. Mordecai and Rigby!
Pops, are you okay?
Optical illusion.
Don't worry, sir. Thanks to the jaws of life, you'll never get trapped in an enclosed space again.
Whoa! Where'd you get that?
It came with the truck.
What were you two thinking?
It was just a joke.
Yeah.